Today we're going to Tagaytay. Dito na tayo.
Oo dyan, siguro mag-akot ka ba? Pero pamilya na yung mga
I think this is the first time I've ever been up spiral stairs. Oh. Wow.
On the top floor for a second.
This is legit.
Before I put all the bags.
Wow. 대박. Hi Bonbon, you wanna come up? Bon na.
There's a pool here. You can stay there, no? If you want.
Oh. Ganda.
Oh. Here, you can go out.
Hi Bonbon. Oh. Hi Ate Sheila. Shout out. Gonna plug your channel. Wow.
Come on.
What's up, JC?
What's up?
Oh, there's even more here. Wow. Kuya Jam, what's up? Yo, so we're here at the villa at Tagaytay. Yeah. There's our TV. And it's cool, we got a neat little light over here. And you can charge your phones. Yo. How did I turn this on? Oh, it's underneath. Oh, it's legit. In before I drop my $500+ camera in the pool. Hi Bun Bun. Oh, here comes Bun Bun. Oh, where he at? Where he go? Oh, there's Bun Bun. Bun Bun. No, if you come here, we're gonna fall. Bigat ikaw. Bigat mo.
Iga ako dito, Boboy.
Bigat mo. We're gonna fall. Come here. Big chillin'.
Meme ka dyan, meme. You sleep?
No.
No, you don't like to sleep?
Entering Kuya Jam and Ate Cheche's room. Wow.
There's even a bathtub. You want to check it out?
Oh, okay. Oh, they're gonna make you a pinsan here, okay? We got to go.
Let's go. And there's like the buffet area.
Oh, wow. See, there's a main house over there, and then the pool's over there. Where it came from. Wow. What the heck? That's an elevator.
Yung holding area. Yung holding area. Ano naman gusto mo?
Yo, they're playing pool over there. I'm a verse meltdown here on air hockey. Who's good? Watch this $500 plus camera drop. It doesn't even matter.
Yeah.
And I'm not listening.
You want to change the game?
Hmm?
You want to change the game?
Where?
Table tennis now.
Okay.
We're gonna return this one.
I got 10. Meltdown. Meltdown got 4. GG. He's gonna get his redemption on the table, the ping pong. You guys legal already? Not yet. I'm gonna toss one of y'all in. Is it good? Meljon, am I good? This show. Bon. Ooh. JC, bring him over. Sorry, bro. Oh, no ihi allowed. Oh.
Iyan.
Huh? You want the floaty?
No, I like it.
Ow. Oh, big God. Oh. You don't want it. Jeez. Yo, Bon, hand off. Okay, I'm done with this.
Going to the back. In villa at night. The villa. Yan si Kuya nandoon. May kaibigan. Yan, bonfire ng family. Nakakatuwa. Doon yung po. Sino yung bonfire? Yung family. Oh, ang ganda naman bonfire. Nakatuwa. Nakapila yung sa bonfire. Oh, wow. Meron kayong pang... Oh, okay. Wow, may marshmallow. Ang galing. Ikaw din. Oh, yum. Sarap. Kinakain na. Oh, oh yeah, picture. Oh. Yum, yum. Nag-work na. Nandiyan sila, oh.
Uwa, uwa. Ay, ito.
Nakatuwa naman, oh. Yan yung smile. Yun yung, ay. Cute niya naman. Ayan.
Bira naman, tulog yung marshmallow.
Ito sa'yo. Yan, dito.